You've probably used hyperlinks before when you've been searching on the internet. Well, they're a handy tool to use within Excel, particularly if you're creating worksheets that other people are going to need to navigate around. It can be a great way of quickly creating links that enable your readers to move through the various worksheets on your Excel file. For example, here I have an index for a price list, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in a link to this particular section of the price list. Now it's called subfloor. Now if I click on page 1, this is the subfloor data. So what I want to do is I want to create a link to just here. So I click on the cell that I want to activate the hyperlink in, and I go to Insert, and I choose Hyperlink. And from here I'm going to choose Place in this document. And what I'm going to do here is, if I come up the top, I know that this is page 1. So, and by default it's going to go to cell A1. So if I click OK, I now have this as a hyperlink. Now this particular text here, I could come back to my Home tab. That's to Homer 14 in bold. I could simply change this text to Homer 14 in bold, which is what I'll do, and I may want the colour to remain as black. So now what I have here is a hyperlink, and if I rest my mouse pointer on here, I can click on this, and this enables me to quickly move to the subfloor area. Now if you knew what particular cell you wanted it to go to, you could then put in A2, for example. So let's say I now want to create a hyperlink back to that index page. I simply click on subfloor, I go to Insert, Hyperlink, and I want to go back to the index and click OK. I can again change this to Homer 12, and I'll make it black, and I'll make it bold. Now if I click on that link, takes me back to the price list, and again I could get it to come back to B2 if that's the cell that I wanted it to do. So hyperlinks are really useful to enable people to quickly and easily move around your worksheets in Excel 2016.